In front of me is Honor Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on More Connections. Then select Printing. Tap on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. To use a different service, disable this one. Go back, click on Add Service and download the best one for you. Then go back to the same settings, click on it and use Gray Switcher to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!